Ginger is known for its potential anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Some research suggests that ginger might have hepatoprotective effects, meaning it could help protect the liver from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that can support the immune system and protect cells from oxidative damage. Some proponents believe that drinking lemon water may aid digestion and help the liver in its detoxification processes. Garlic contains compounds like allicin that are believed to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies suggest that garlic may support liver health by aiding in detoxification processes and reducing oxidative stress. Ingredients: garlic, ginger, lemon. Drink 1 glass before bed.